We currently have 4 willow feeders. We built this first willow feeder 11 years ago. It has taught us a lot. One cool thing about it is that the roof is made entirely of shakes we made ourselves. We dropped a big western larch tree and made rough shakes. Using the lessons learned, we were able to build our second willow feeder in just 2 days. This got us through our first rocket mass heater event without having to get a porta potty. There have now been more than a dozen improvements to it over the years. If you go inside during the sunrise, the light hits these marbles for a cool effect. Our third willow feeder was created as a piece of art by the famous roundwood artist Bearpaw. He taught the people in our boot camp a lot of fancy roundwood joinery. It's been moved a few times and had a few upgrades. I think it's our best outdoor willow feeder right now. After the success of Willow Wonka, we were ready to make our first indoor willow feeder in Cooper Cabin. It went together quickly and has been working extremely well. All of these together, working so well, makes us think it is now time to share what we have learned about willow feeders.